Hello, in this video we're gonna check the size of Electrolux TimeCare 500. And to do this, I brought this measuring tool and we'll be measuring the height, length and the width. And now let's start with the width. I'm not sure if you can see it because of my hand, but it is 58 centimeters. No, 59.5. Then the height, and keep in mind that the height can be adjusted using the legs. So it's not the exact height, it's just our box height, which is 84.5 centimeters. And then we can move to the length. So there's actually shelf sticking out on the most far top, and with that shelf it's 55 centimeters to the doors, and then directly to the end of the cover it's 51. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.